and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another smoothie for you guys, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So today we have another berry smoothie for you guys, but this one's going to be a little bit different. I can link up my previous one right up here. This one's going to have an assortment of different berries, of course our banana. We're going to have some Greek yogurt, our flaxseed, and our spinach. And this is going to be the first time that I'm trying out a different type of coconut milk. This is Califia, I don't know. It's Go Coconuts. It's soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free coconut milk and coconut water blend, and it says psst, carcinogen-free. 50% more calcium than milk, blah blah blah, no sugar added, 45 calories per serving. Seems pretty good to me. So I wanted to try this out because, as you guys know from my other videos, I get the coconut milk like in the little cans and then yada yada. The one video, I know I didn't like shake it up and it was like the milk fat kind of like plopped in, and then I had the liquid, it separated, and it just wasn't a good time. I've used coconut milk in different Starbucks drinks, so I use it a good amount. So I figured, you know what, let me try this. It looked good. What I read was good, so we'll try it out. But if you guys have tried this, definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below, or if you have a different favorite coconut milk or whatever it is, let me know and I'll try it out. I'm always looking to try something new. So now we're just gonna do what we always do and just add all of our ingredients to our NutriBullet and get blending. So we have half of a banana for this recipe. So we already have that pre-frozen, and then we're gonna do a cup of our frozen berries. Now you guys know I like to typically have about a cup of our frozen fruit, not including bananas. So what I'm going to do here is just do a third, and a third. Now the berries that I picked today are blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. You guys can pick whatever kind of berry that you want, blackberries, whatever it is. But you want to make sure you have about a cup of them. So that's all. Raspberries. I don't have too many videos where I use those raspberries. And finally our strawberries. So I use these in my other video now, and I do have to say that I like them. I told you this is the first time I had tried this brand because I was just like, I need a bigger bag than the one I was using before because I just like killed that bag really quickly. Alright, then we're going to do a cup of our coconut milk. I'm just going to be safe and shake this up beforehand. I don't know. Smells good. Alright, let's do a cup of this. Okay. Definitely looks like it's emulsified really well. It's not like super thick, but not very watery. Trying to show you guys the consistency. Alright, then we're going to add in our yogurt. So I just have 2% Greek yogurt. It's not flavored or anything like that. This is the FAGE one, but I think the Chobani one is maybe my favorite. Alright, then we're going to add our flaxseed meal and then our spinach. Ton of good stuff in this one. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and put the lid on this, and then we're going to get to blending. You guys. I cannot. This smells so good. I can already tell how like thick and creamy it is. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and put this in another cup with our straw. We're going to try some. Okay, guys, I can't wait to try this one. It's super thick. I don't usually show you me pouring it, but this one, like, I had to. So let's try this. Oh, hold on. Oh, I love this. I love that coconut. What is this? Coconut milk and coconut water blend. This is really, really good. This totally just changed the flavor of this altogether. I like this one better than my other berry smoothie recipe video. And if you guys like coconut, or if you guys like that kind of tropical twist, you're gonna love this. But definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below, which one that you liked better. I like this one better. But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video with anybody who loves berries or coconut or, I don't know, smoothies. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.